Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add money to a Starling account. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC. Search for Starling Bank. After that, enter your account number and phone number to sign in. After signing in, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Now there are many different ways you can add money to your account. Number 1. Bank transfer. Using your Starling account number and sort code, you can find these by pressing the plus next to your balance. Number 2. Deposit cash at any post office across the UK. Number 3. Pay in check. You can submit checks under £1,000 in the app and post anything over £1,000 to us. Number 4. Or you could make Starling your main bank by switching to us. This will move your balance, direct debits, and any other regular payment across the Starling from your old bank in just 7 working days. So that's how you can add money to Starling account. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.